Welcome the our channel. Today we how to connect with the Great Courses, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect with the Great Courses, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL www.thegreatcourses.com. Once the website loads, look for the sign in button located at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button to access your account. If you already have an account, enter your email address and password. Then, click the sign in button to log in. If you do not have an account yet, click on the join button next to the sign in option. Fill out the required information to create a new account. Be sure to provide a valid email address and create a strong password. After completing the form, click on the Create Account button. Next, explore the home page to discover various courses available. You can browse by categories or use the search bar for specific subjects. When you find a course that interests you, click on its title for more details. Review the course description, content, and instructor information. If you decide to enroll, click the Enroll Now button. Follow the prompts to complete your purchase if required. After enrolling, you can access your course from the My Courses section. Click this section to view all the courses you are enrolled in. Select a course to start learning at your own pace. Utilize available resources such as quizzes, forums, and supplementary materials. Enjoy the enriching experience that the Great Courses offers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.